First iMac 1998. The first iMac in 1998 was Apple's first computer for the home market. It was designed by Jony Ive and had a revolutionary new design, unlike anything seen before. It took computers from being big, expensive, and difficult to use to being beautiful, affordable and easy to use with a revolutionary new design unlike anything seen before. iMac Revolution. The original iMac was revolutionary because it offered a simpler, more elegant interface. Steve Jobs had predicted that the iMac would be a turnkey solution, and to this day, it has been proven to be one of the most successful computers ever made. The decision to make a turnkey computer with all components became revolutionary. People did not need to study the market for all components or think about what and where to buy. Apple had already decided for them. iMac screen. Many complained about the monitors of that time. I live in a world where I have to stare at a screen for 12 hours for work and school. My life is filled with screens, and my eyes have never been more strained. However, it was the first iMac to offer users a 15-inch 1024x768 screen. The screen quality is amazing. The screen is comparable to modern new screens. It could easily be used for professional color grading. iMac device dimensions. One reason for the enormity of this machine is that Apple had spent years researching how people were using computers in their homes and offices. They came up with a computer that was made for home users, but ironically became popular among office workers as well. The cooling system also affected the dimensions of the machine. No coolers, only physics. Cold air blew in from below, and hot air rose up. Therefore, this computer is very quiet, it simply has nothing to make noise. USB ports. The most important thing about the iMac was Apple's decision to use USB ports instead of the legacy serial port, which allowed for faster data transfer rates. Built-in USB ports. At the time everyone criticized this solution, but 25 years later I can connect a modern USB flash drive to a 1998 iMac, and it will work. What other computer of that time could connect a USB flash drive to? The devil is in the details. Ethernet and USB are built into the iMac case. Incredibly beautiful and revolutionary design. The screen is comparable to modern new screens, and the most important decision of Apple is the decision to make a computer with a full set of necessary devices, a turnkey computer.